What's going on, YouTube, my family, and my friends? Excellent Dreams here, back with another exclusive video for you today. And here we have this Only God Can Judge Me design that I put together. But as you can see, it is too big. It's coming in at 17.041 inches by 22.721 inches. And that's huge. I think I originally designed that to go on the back of this of a shirt or whatever. So I just ungrouped all the objects, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna get rid of all of these stones here. Because obviously the stones are too big. I mean, the design is too big for the shirt. We're starting off with 13 by 19 inch sheet of paper, and so let's make this smaller. So 13 inches isn't bad. But I'm going to make it 11.352 so that everyone can be able to use it for on my Etsy. People with smaller cutters, people with larger cutters. It's still going to be pretty large on the shirt. 11.352, let's make it 11.425. Yeah. Alright, now we're going to put stones in the black part, so let's just choose a color stone. Pink stone, place and fill, inside, add stones. You want to make sure that your screen looks like mine as far as your islands, your space, your fill line spacing, your contour, your hatch angle, and your corner detect angle. I'll wait for you to do that. And then just hit hatch fill. Oh, well, you got to please select an object to hatch fill, Raymond. Oh, click on the black and let's hatch fill it. Let's clear the paths, merge overlapping stones. And by golly, I think that's looking good right there. That's looking pretty good, if I do say so myself. Yeah, I think that's looking good, if I do say so myself. Let's name it Only God Can Judge Me. Smaller. I think I've done this already. Hold on. Let's check. I gotta check. I got to check, y'all. Oh. You're not sleepy, Raymond. Don't do that. Let's see here. Where do I want to go? Templates for sale. To be cut. Where am I trying to go? Just got a brain freeze. Where we at? Okay. So let's type in God. GLD. The only God can judge me. 2021. God we trust. The only God can judge me. Smile. Alright, so that only has 2 pages to it. That's 8.5. That's 5.7. So let me check bet you. The Grinch has infiltrated Excellent Dreams Studios. Ha ha. Check out my Grinch Diamond Club outfit. Dreams Studio.
I was doing some work today in the area and I drove.
The Grinch has infiltrated the infamous Excellent Dreams Studios. The current time is now 7:34 on Eastern Standard Time. Ha, I got on a crispy green Diamond Club outfit. Yeah. Check out. Uh-oh. 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 Gotta get back in disguise. Stay tuned. Look out for Diamond Club. Coming soon. Haha. Diamond Club. Premium rhinestone apparel. The Grinch has infiltrated the infamous Excellent Dreams Studios. The current time is now 7:34 on Eastern Standard Time. Ha, I got on a crispy green Diamond Club outfit. Yeah. Check out. Uh-oh. 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 Gotta get back in disguise. Stay tuned. Look out for Diamond Club. Coming soon. Haha.
Stay with me when there's no one else to call.
Man, come back here, man. Where you going? Come here. Why you all the way over there? Come over here, bro. Hey. Hey, what's going on, y'all? Here at Excellent Dream Studios. Just wanted to show y'all, you know, I call it a reflection collection. Well, the shirt anyway is part of the reflection collection, you know. And so is this jacket right here. Jacket ain't even done yet. It's work in progress. Hey, what's going on, y'all? Here at Excellent Dream Studios. I just wanted to show y'all, you know, I call it the reflection collection. Well, the shirt anyway is part of the reflection collection, you know. And so is this jacket right here. This jacket ain't even done yet. It's work in progress. Hey, what's going on, y'all? Here at Excellent Dream Studio. The Grinch has infiltrated the infamous Excellent Dream Studio. Hey, what's going on, y'all? Here at Excellent Dream Studios. I just wanted to show y'all. You know, last time I was talking about the shirt. Let me hide the shirt for now. This shirt lit though. You can get it in any color. I'm working on this right now, right? I'm thinking of doing the whole side, like with the, you know what I mean, with the diamond, the club, you know what I mean, then the spade and the heart, diamond, club, you know what I mean, and then spade, and then heart, like on down, and then doing it like that on the back. Right here on the pants, I got the insides of that, You know what I mean? The diamond in the club. And the last time I was talking about the shirt. Hey, what's going on, y'all? Here at Excellent Dream Studios. Yeah, I'm back. Talking my 1-2. I don't even think I be on here enough, but I should be. Like, y'all see the XD, the Excellent Dreams, you know? Custom Rhinestone apparel. If you don't know, everything that you see on my channel, I made it. Just like this tracksuit that I got on right here. We got diamond club going down the leg and stones, going down the arms and stones. You know what I'm saying? Tap in, tap in. If you ain't tapped in already, you don't know yet, jump on my YouTube channel. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Great video showing how I put all this stuff together. You can also subscribe to be a member as well. You will get the training videos, which will show you how to use the software to actually do this one-of-a-kind stuff. Yeah, I'm back. Talking my 1-2. I don't even think I be on here enough, but I should be. Like, y'all see the XD, the Excellent Dreams, you know? Custom Rhinestone apparel. If you don't know, everything that you see on my channel, I made it. Just like this tracksuit that I got on right here. Oh, look, I'm still. We got diamond club going down leg and stones, going down the arms and stones. You know what I'm saying?